Back under here, a sketchy little bridge. Thought I was dragging something, but must have been a tree. Must have been a tree. Looks like something shining on there. There it is. We got some kind of USB. Pretty fresh. Husky something. Magnetic rock. Little battery pack or something. Mark Curry. Thought it said Husky. Rusty bit. Little conglomeration there. Looks like some screwdriver bits. Magnetic rocks. Piece of wire. Some kind of something. Lip balm or something. Kind of shiny on there. Another part to a bike. I bet there's a bike down there. Woo. What do we have here? I don't know if you can see that. Is that a backpack? A suitcase? No, it's the other half to that barbecue grill. Part of the barbecue grill. That is hilarious. I got the top the other day. We got a big old nail. And a barbecue. I don't know what that is. It's got a spring on it though. Part of a kickstand maybe. Some kind of little venti. Feels kind of funky. Oh, yeah, I see a handle. Looks like murder metal. Murder metal. And a BB.